the bronze medalist from 3 years ago at the World Championships. Nelson CRISPIN CORZO, the fastest seed in this final heat. And out in lane 7, Adriano de Lima, Brazilian, causing the crowd to get excited ahead of heat number 3. And a good start in the centre of the pool for CRISPIN CORZO. Alongside him still, Hongguang, the Chinese athlete. And now CRISPIN CORZO starting to get into his stroke. A little bit of an advantage, but it's very close between these two athletes. Gia and CRISPIN CORZO really having a battle between them, and it's going to come down to the finish. Incredibly close in this heat, and just at the touch, it's Gia from China who touches ahead of CRISPIN CORZO. HAANAPPEL for Australia coming home in 3rd. Gia Hongguang, 29.66, the first athlete to drop under the 30-second barrier here in qualifiers. Just touched out the Colombian, also going under that 30-second marker, making him the 2nd fastest seed into the final.
Well, certainly it's always good to have somebody pushing you along on your outside, and for Gia Hongguang, the 28-year-old backstroke silver medalist at 100 meters, had the world champion. He's in fact 2013 and 2015 world champion, Nelson CRISPIN CORZO, alongside him, and the two driving one another along, separated by 0.02 of a second at the wall. But an intriguing final awaits. The two quickest qualifiers will go alongside one another again in the final.
Well, that was a close finish.